Plus, festival season is quickly approaching, and with it, the hot, dry desert weather that can wreak havoc on our skin. Coming up, dermatologist Dr. Anna, how do you pronounce your last name? Guanche is back with her Coachella survival kit.
Yeah, nothing like standing between two women in extremely high heels. Meantime, the highly anticipated festival season is quickly approaching, which means it will soon be time for some fun in the sun.
And one of the most crucial things is to try and keep your son hydrated and fresh to withstand the desert sun. That's why we've invited back Dr. Anna Guanche. She is a board-certified dermatologist and celebrity beauty expert. Good to see you. So many people get excited about this festival, but it can be dangerous. There's heat, there's sun. What can we do to protect ourselves?
That's right. Between the heat, the sun, the alcohol, all the partying.
Forgot about
alcohol? What are you talking about?
Yes. So I wanted to talk to you about a survival kit for people that are going to these festivals, especially Coachella, which is the famous one. So first of all, protect your lips with the Chapstick SPF 25, and you want to reapply that every hour, especially in the midday.
I think people forget about their lips. They may put it on their face, but they always forget about lips.
They forget about their lips, and they are very susceptible to burning and chapping, so it's important to bring some SPF lip balm. And then I recommend the Hydratint by Alastin SPF. You put that on at home before the festival, put a nice thick coat of it on. It makes you look airbrushed, and it just kind of protects the skin. And when you want to touch it up, I love this ColoreScience powder. This is an SPF 50 powder, and you can apply it to the bridge of your nose, cheekbones.
Does it blend in so you don't look weird?
Yes.
No, it blends in.
It's
a mineral base, and it blends in really nicely. I love Total Eye. Total Eye is an SPF for all the way around your eyes, so upper and lower. And it's also like a concealer, so from all that partying and drinking and not sleeping.
A lot of work.
It is a lot of work.
It helps conceal dark circles as well. I love this mask. This is a, let me remember. Summer Fridays mask. This is actually going to help hydrate the skin. So after you've been out and parched and exposed to the sun and all the elements, it helps restore your skin. So when you get home to your hotel room, you put that on right away. And then I love this Copper Tone Glow SPF. It gives you a shiny glow on your skin, which is perfect for Coachella season.
Fake tan.
And what are these
It's
vitamins?
kind of like a fake tan, but we're getting to a fake tan. These vitamins I actually take every day. It's called Heliocare, and it's from a fern plant. It gives you SPF 8 all over your body.
Oh.
So it's not a substitute for applying sunscreen, but it's great for extra protection. So you just take that in the morning, and actually at Coachella, I would recommend you take it again a couple times during the day.
You can also get sick, so vitamin C packs, we already know about that, but let's skip over to the B12.
Yes, B12 shot. This is something we offer at my office. This will help boost your immune system and prevent you from getting sick as well.
Get one of those before you go to Coachella, I guess.
Yes.
What do we have here?
Insect repellent. You really don't want to forget your insect repellent because we don't want to be covered with rashes and bites. You want to have fun and just dance.
And then, Doctor, we've got scarves that you can wrap around your neck, or bandana for the guys, just to protect the décolleté area, right? And then you're saying there are hip fanny packs that are called...
Yes, they used to be called fanny packs, and now they're called belt bags.
Belt bags.
And so you can carry one of those, still dance and do everything, and stuff all your essentials in there.
All right, the survival guide, and you just saw there for more information on Dr. Guanche. You can log on to her website and, of course, follow her on social media. Thank you so much. This is important stuff, not just for the ladies.
I am so out of my element here.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's all good.
But it was educational.
I know.
Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you back here at 1.